Hello guys, welcome my channel. How to fix you lost App Store key or source code or forget your password. So you need to fix it, right? So I try many different way to fix this problem. Then I find out a so easy solution that's I show you. So if you want to fix your problem, please follow my full video step by step. I will show you. Open your apps, and this is most important, your package name. I hope you know it, the package name. Note your package name, then go release and scroll down, go setup, then app signing and request key upgrade. This option show because my app version is so older, that's why at first I need to upgrade my app version. If this option can't show, don't worry, all works same. Follow the next step. You see direct app request or upgrade app signing key option. You face this option, just simply do as I do. So my required, so select others and click upgrade. Then confirm key upgrade. You can get it directly. Request upload key reset. That's simply select I forget the password my key stored, and you see Google guide direction Keystore reflex Keystore upload key dot key ls upload file upload certificate dot pm, and when I make a dot pem file, then I upload. This is the most important dot pem file format. Now open your Android Studio and you make a new app or build or your old app. However, just you need to create a new key store and new information, then you can update your apps. So make a new app, edit old app, no problem. Just you confirm your package name, the same package name you uploaded your app that was live. So follow Android Studio step. Select your build, Android Studio build, then go generate sign app bundle, then Android app bundle. Here is the option Keystore path. This is very important. I follow simple path step C drive. You can select your own choice C drive or other location. Click a create new Keystore path location. This is the most important option. Select your any path, no problem. I select C drive. Then you can follow my step, go C drive, and then I make a folder. Same the my app name. It's help to find out your future my app. So I set my app Quran folder name this. Okay, now I select the path, go C drive and select Quran, then file name key, then type your password. Simply use a simple or hard password, no problem, just remember it. It's you can make a note for your app information like your password, keystore, full information, your path location, everything you save. This is very important for your future update. I use a simple password, then my key alias is simple keys 0, and confirm my password again. And fill up this form. I set my channel name, another channel name, tag post. This channel name, how to fix. No problem. You fill up your own name or your company name. However, then okay. And this is my step done. Then remember password and next. Then release. Done. I I make a ABB file. This is my BBL file. I will upload when my password keyset reset. So now my step is keystore making. Okay, this is my keys. Now step to reset. Open a browser, what you like, and search Keystore Explorer download. Then you see many results. Just follow the main URL. This link https keystore explorer.org. Simply go this website, and here is the many version. I use Windows, so I download Windows. And if you use Linux, you download Linux or Mac, however. So let's download file. Just simply click Windows format, then file exe. At this time my version 553. When you watch this video, you may see there is a new version. No problem, just follow this step. Now wait until finish the download. So open download file, then simple step, just install next. So let's do select all user or single user, no problem. Next. I need a shortcut desktop, so check create a desktop shortcut, then next and install. Just you need a this one software. Thanks the Keystore software company. This is a very good software. This used I easily recover my Keystore. Then finish. After finish installation, then open Keystore Explorer and simple step upload key. This is my key cdef. Then open in existing Keystore and go your path, then select your key, then open. And here is the your Keystore password. That password I set my Android Studio. Okay, and simply select this option and double click. When open this pop up, and you need to .pem format. You can set any name doesn't matter, just follow .pem. I select the name upload certificate.pem. No problem. You can set any name. Just remember .pem format. Just click PEM and click export. You select your folder. Then type this name.pem and choose, and I successfully export my Keystore. Okay. Then now again I go my Play Console account, app sign in, and request key upload option. I select I forget the password. Select the upload the .pem file generate and go your file location. Then select file. Then request for reset password. Here my password reset is successful. Now we get a mail and wait 24 hour or 48 hour or 72 hour. How do you confirm it is approved or not? You can get a mail or not, your password reset done or not. Just come your app setup, then app sign. Now you see the request upload key reset option, then cancel. When is approved, you wouldn't see this option. Means your reset done. Now I will upload ABB new version. Go release dashboard, create a new release. Then a bundle, upload my ABB file. Upload my new version, generated version, and upload it. Here have a problem. Version code 1. Oh, my app version code 1, so need to version code 2. Open Android Studio and go Gradle, build Gradle kits, version code 2, app version name update 1.12. Then sync now, and again go build, generate sign up bundle, and next. Now see, your next option is auto because my password is already set and remember. Next, select release. Now I have a corrected ABB file. Again go your console account, then upload. I hope this version is uploaded and will live. Here my upload version is approved. Next, and select your necessary step for your app requirement. Then my app follow this option, governments rules, yes or no. This is not government's app. So I select no and save, and finally step, go to overview. Then my app was unpublished, so now need to publish. Then select publish and save, go to overview. Now my app will live soon, and I hope your app will live soon and your problem is already fixed. If you feel this video is helpful, you can like, comments and subscribe my channel, and you can share your opinion. So thank you.